What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Sain, and if you're new here, I make videos on personal finance and how to invest and build wealth through the stock market. I started this Robinhood challenge for two reasons. Number one, I wanted to simplify investing for those that wanted to invest but didn't quite know how. And number two, I wanted to show you guys in real time the companies that I invest in to grow my portfolio from $0 to 10K and then eventually from 10K to 100K. So feel free to join me on the journey by grabbing some free stock using my links below, or sit back and watch. Either way, I appreciate you. Today's video, guys, I got a jam-packed one. We're going to talk about Tesla, ARK Invest, as well as Roth IRAs. So stick with me to the end on this one. But before we get into that, man, I just got to send some love out to you guys. I am extremely proud and happy of so many of you already today. Many of you have hit home runs. I've talked to over 100 of you guys, and I'm sorry for those of you who I wasn't able to get to, but the messages were flooding in. You guys are already killing it and crushing it, and this is what I'm trying to tell you about. Don't listen to people in the comments about anything. Just listen to one trusted voice and you'll do just like these people did, okay? I'm super proud of all of you though, because even if you haven't hit yet, you got your feet wet. This is all about getting the experience, because the formula is the same. The blueprint will be the same. Next week, it'll be about picking better stocks or a stock with a little more momentum and movement, okay? But nevertheless, guys, I am extremely proud of each and every one of you. I don't care where you're at on the journey right now. I'm just happy that you got your feet wet a tad bit, because you guys are going to see the potential of how this thing goes. Experience is the best teacher. Without further ado though, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay guys, as you can see, my portfolio is currently sitting at $54,939.68. On the day, it's been kind of crazy, so I'm down almost $1,000. On the week, I'm almost at break even, okay? On the month, I'm up a little over 1%. If I take you guys out 3 months, I'm up over 10.5%. If I take you guys out 1 year, even though I haven't had this account 1 year yet, we are up over 16.5%. And if we go out all time, pretty much the same thing, guys. I'm up a little bit over 16.5%. Listen, man, I make videos about this every single day, man. I started this account in January with $0. I come on here each and every day to show you guys how to properly build a portfolio, how to trade options, the whole nine, okay? So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Do me a favor, man. Join me on the journey. My first goal was 10K, and now we're on the road to 100K. I appreciate all the love, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys for rocking with me. Today, guys, I want to talk to you about Tesla. You guys already know, ticker symbol TSLA. It is currently sitting at $424, okay? But check this out, man. I wanted to touch on this. I need to make sure that I keep this top of mind for you all. Let me know down below if you have your Tesla shares established, if you bought before the dip or after the split, okay? But nevertheless, we have battery day coming up. I need to make sure that that's still top of mind for many of you, because you're going to have a chance to do some really good things, okay? Some of you, and you need to let me know where you stand on this. Some of you are in it for a short play. If you guys are like me, you're in it for a long play. And so it's not like when battery day come, that's the end all be all for us, okay? I'm holding Tesla far past battery day, all right? This is a long-term play for me. This stock will do numbers for years and years to come, okay? But you guys know whether or not you're holding it short-term, long-term, or mid-term. So again, be ready to act accordingly, okay? Again, you're going to have some big opportunities coming up in this play. I just want to make sure you guys are prepared and ready to go, all right? So listen, if things happen to get volatile, that's not the time for you to panic, okay? Remember, trust in the things that I teach on the channel. Trust in your own experiences that you should have in the market by now, man. The market, again, after you guys understand it a little bit and let the stock market do what it does, you will begin to see, as I always reiterate to you, it'll always bounce back. It'll always go back up. Next, guys, I need to talk to you about ARK Invest. This one is ticker symbol ARK, but with the K, okay? The ARK Innovation ETF. Guys, especially new investors. I'm talking to both seasoned and new investors right now, but especially the newer and beginner investors. Those of you may not be able to always pick and hop on every single play that I'm going to recommend. And although I'm going to recommend home runs 9 times out of 10, some of you guys, whether it's a financial reason, whether it's just timing, you got to me late, you guys can take advantage of some of these plays by investing in this ETF. An ETF, for those that don't know, is just a basket of stocks, typically a basket of the best companies, okay? And so in this particular case, guys, you can get Tesla if you don't have Tesla. You can get Square if you don't have Square already. You can get Roku. You can get a number of stocks that I already been talking about, but you can get a number of stocks that I haven't even presented to you guys yet, all a part of this one ETF, and all for under $90, okay? And so I want you guys to strongly consider adding an ETF to the mix, okay? It's a great move. I'm telling you, I've been doing this for over 10 years. I have a lot of ETFs. I built my wealth originally through ETFs, and now I show you guys how to do it through individual stocks. So don't shun ETFs, don't shy away from them. It's a chance for some of you to get into some of the plays that you can't get into individually. And the next and final thing I want to talk to you guys about is a Roth IRA. On this journey, man, I have a responsibility to teach you the whole game about building wealth, all right? And it's important that you guys have a Roth IRA if you can, okay? A Roth IRA this year allows you to put a limit of up to $6,000 in it. I need you guys to make sure that you are maxing that out to the $6,000 limit, all right? That is your retirement. All of this is your retirement. I just do this to make retirement cool, and we call it investing, okay? But it's really to set you guys up for early retirement, help you guys get off the corporate plantation and begin to live a real fruitful life, all right? One way you need to do that to insulate yourself from taxes and everything else is the Roth IRA. I don't care who you go with. You can go with Vanguard, you can go with Betterment, you can go with E-Trade, Fidelity, whoever you are already with. If they offer a Roth IRA, I need you guys, if you don't already, to consider opening a Roth IRA account and then maxing it out up to $6,000, okay? I need you guys to have wealth built all over the place. This is how you insulate yourself from downturns. This is how you insulate yourself from something going bad on the job and you getting let go unexpectedly. And guys, these are the things you have to be doing. These are the things you got to be thinking about, okay? So I just want to put that on you. I won't belabor the point today, man. Our word of the day is ATM. ATM, guys, is at the money. You should know this if you watched my last 2 videos on call options and what have you, okay? Some of you might be at the money right now with the rocket play, okay? Because it's not moving that much if you didn't get the right timing. And that's why I talk to you, and you should see for yourself now, man, why was Chris preaching about the timing of when you buy these plays so much? You guys probably know now, and you see if you're not up 200% like everybody else is, you now know why that I was talking about timing, okay? But you guys are probably at the money at this point in time. And so I wanted to introduce that so that you know where you're sitting at currently if you're not up 200% in this rocket play. So I just want to put that on you guys today. The word of the day is ATM, otherwise known as at the money. Listen, guys, I'll end this video by just saying how proud I am of each and every one of you. I started by saying that. I want to end by saying that. Some of you guys for the first time has dove into options, and I'm excited. I know you are going to be excited. Whether we hit home runs, whether we break even, you guys now are traders, okay? And it's an addicting feeling. It's exhilarating. It's a different level of excitement than just buying individual stocks, okay? This is a way to make a lot of money. If you rock with me, I'll teach you everything you need to know. But again, you guys are learning, and you're learning the right way. And so I just wish you guys nothing but success on the journey, and want to tell you guys to keep up the good work. Listen, guys, if you have comments, make sure you leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. I make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.